Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. I'm Jacob.
And I'm Boston. First grade has a field trip on Monday.
There's also a choir concert on Wednesday with both junior high and elementary choirs from 7 to 8 p.m.
There's also a junior high and elementary orchestra side-by-side concert on Thursday from 7 to 8 p.m.
An art fair assembly is on Wednesday from 2 to 3 p.m.
There is a choir festival on Thursday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
There's also a second and third grade field trip on Thursday.
Now over to Cooking with Kevin. Thanks, Kevin.
Welcome to Sports Center. I'm Sam.
And I'm Cooper. Boys Volleyball has a home game against North Star this Monday at 4:30.
They also have an away game against Hawthorne on Wednesday, also at 4:30.
That's all for Sports Center.
Now back to the newsroom.
That's all the announcements.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.